Alright guys, just a quick, I'm going to try to make this video quick, but this is another ceiling fan here at one of my friend's house here. A 52-inch white Harbor Breeze Lake Series. There's another one over there. I'll get to that one in a little bit on a separate video. So, and this one has LED light bulbs in it too, including 6 blades. So, sit down. I'm just gonna sit in a chair so that way I won't. My feet are kind of hurting. I'm too lazy to stand up, so I'm gonna sit right here. It sure does feel good. Oh yeah. That's low. Here's medium. I think that's higher. I'm not quite sure. One of them here only has 2 speeds. I'm not quite sure. Oh yeah, that's medium, but ooh, that feels good. Oh, that feels good. Medium. There we go. There you go. Gonna once again. There we go. Turn it on. So, see, it goes right when you pull air up, and then it goes left when you pull air down. Alright. Turn the light off. And there's that one. I'll get to that one next. Until then, that's it.